Welcome to Financial Freedom FX. In today's video, we'll explore one of the most powerful tools used by professional traders, the VWAP, or Volume Weighted Average Price. As shown here, the VWAP is different from the simple moving average. It not only averages price over time, but also weights it by volume, making it far more accurate for intraday decision-making. VWAP acts as a dynamic support or resistance. In this example, price pulls back to the VWAP line after a breakout. A dragonfly doji forms, signaling a potential bullish continuation. Entry is placed just above the candle, with TP1 and TP2 set according to risk-reward. Remember, in the founder line top line debts is N staccating firing side, having a settlement in DBEB. VWAP serves as a key confidence point for this strategy. VWAP bands can also define support and resistance zones. In this image, price stays within a clear resistance and support region marked around the VWAP. Traders use these zones to time their trades, going long near support and short near resistance. It adds structure to your scalping or day trading plan. VWAP resets at the beginning of each trading day, unlike moving averages which continue over time. This makes it especially useful for intraday traders. In the early session, a false breakout happens below VWAP, a common trap. But once price reclaims VWAP, it becomes support, giving two clean long entries throughout the day. Combining VWAP with RSI can give powerful signals. Here, Microsoft's price is below VWAP, indicating bearish pressure. But RSI is also in the oversold zone. This confluence hints at a potential reversal. Traders wait for price to reclaim VWAP before entering, ensuring confirmation before acting on RSI signals alone. VWAP is also an excellent trend filter. When price is consistently above the VWAP line throughout the session, it signals bullish strength. On the flip side, if it's mostly below, sellers are in control. In this example, we see multiple trading days where VWAP helps clearly define bullish and bearish momentum zones. Many traders use VWAP on different timeframes. The daily VWAP is excellent for swing trading, while intraday VWAP, shown here on the right, is used by scalpers and day traders. Notice how both follow similar patterns, but serve different objectives, one for broader trend context and one for precise trade execution. In trending markets, VWAP often acts as a magnet or a dynamic mean line. In this bullish trend, price keeps bouncing off VWAP during minor pullbacks. These are low-risk re-entry points. Experienced traders look for price action confirmations at the VWAP zone, like bullish engulfing candles or long-tailed wicks. VWAP is also used for breakout confirmation. In this example, price closes above VWAP after consolidation. That's your confirmation. The breakout entry happens immediately after, with volume rising. Notice how the price respects VWAP and never closes below it after the breakout. That's institutional activity in action. Finally, VWAP is crucial for spotting mean reversion opportunities. When price gets too far from VWAP, it often snaps back. Here, we see price rise sharply above VWAP, a classic extension. Soon after, mean reversion kicks in. Traders can short overextended moves or wait for pullbacks to VWAP before re-entering trend. So far, we've seen VWAP used in trend identification, pullbacks, breakout entries, and mean reversions. But there's more. Let's look at a few bonus charts that show real examples of VWAP rejection, volume-based trades, and how to use VWAP bands to fine-tune your entries. This chart shows a classic downtrend, with VWAP acting as dynamic resistance. After each bounce back to VWAP, the price forms a lower high, a signal of weakening buying power. Traders use this pattern to place sell trades just below VWAP, expecting another leg down. Notice how respecting VWAP helps avoid early entries and ensures trend alignment. In this example, price is above VWAP with increasing volume, a strong bullish signal. When price pulls back to VWAP, it acts as a launchpad for continuation. This is where smart traders enter, in the direction of trend with volume on their side. VWAP plus volume confirmation is a reliable confluence for high-probability trades. Here we see a bearish market where VWAP serves as a ceiling. After a retracement, price touches VWAP but fails to break above. This is your cue to look for shorting opportunities. You're not guessing. You're reacting to VWAP rejection, which often signals that institutional selling pressure remains in control. VWAP bands like Bollinger or anchored VWAP envelopes show how far price deviates from the average. When candles pierce upper bands, it often signals overextension. Similarly, drops below lower bands hint at oversold conditions. These bands give added context for mean reversion or trend continuation trades, especially during volatile sessions. So now you've seen VWAP in every major use case, as support, resistance, trend confirmation, pullback entry zone, and even with volume and price deviation bands. This is a complete toolkit for scalpers, day traders, and swing traders alike. If you're serious about trading like a pro, master VWAP. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with fellow traders. More advanced strategies are coming up right here on Financial Freedom FX.